Let's look at adding a demo student and doing a quality check in Canvas. Canvas already comes with a demo student ready to go. Up there in the right-hand corner, you'll see Student View. If we click on that, we are going to exit our screen and go into the Student View mode. And you'll see there at the bottom of the screen, it says you are currently logged into Student View. Now that we're in this mode, we can do our quality check. We're going to go here to our courses and select the course. And we see the modules that we've added. And this is exactly how it would look for a student. We can see the assignment that we've added and what that assignment will look like to the student. We can go to the page that we created. And if we click on that, we see how the page will look to the student. We can go up to the announcement that we created. Let's look at how this announcement will appear to the student. If we click on the title of the announcement, it'll bring up the announcement. The student can read the announcement. They can use features there at the bottom to go to the next announcement. And they can also click so it appears as unread. So if it's really important, it will stay in their feed. If we continue on navigating there on the left-hand screen, we can see how everything will appear to the student. So we can do a quality check and make sure everything is there that we've created and everything that is visible should be visible. Now we're going to leave the demo mode. So we're going to go down there to the bottom of the screen and we're going to click Leave Student View. And there we go. We are back in the instructor view. So that's how we add a demo student and do a quality check in Canvas.